Hey guys, welcome back. This is Benji with another episode of Contractor Evolution. Nothing in the world of contracting sucks the life out of you or your team quite like a miserable client. A sorry SOB whose apparent mission in life is to ruin yours and almost seems to take pleasure in the process. Bad clients are to your business what icebergs were to the Titanic. Okay, maybe that's being a little dramatic, I guess. Your business is not going to sink from doing business with one or even a handful of lost souls. But I think we can all agree that avoiding the crazies is in your best interest, and the sooner the better. Now, the underlying logic here is self-evident. Bad clients are excruciatingly hard on morale. They destroy the profitability of the job. And in fact, on large contracts, this can even trickle all the way down to your year-end net profit. They completely wreck your production schedule, and they can also really get inside your head, mess with your confidence, your mindset, and leave you feeling undeservedly shaky about your whole operation for weeks or even months. That's not good. The unfortunate reality is that complete and total nut jobs need work done too. And no one introduces themselves as such. Can you imagine? Hi, I'm Benji. I'm a raging narcissist with the emotional maturity of a pubescent teenager and the communication skills of a watermelon. I'm going to make your life a living hell for the duration of this project, and I can't wait to get started. If only. The problem is moronic tendencies aren't that obvious at first. This is why it's so important to sharply tune your eyes and your ears for these people and avoid them like the plague. So today's episode is a collection of 19 hilariously accurate client red flags. Oh, and listen, this is meant for a laugh, some relatability. There's a few practical tips in here too. But if you're personally offended by anything I say, just please don't cancel me.
You're watching Contractor Evolution, where we unpack the systems, tactics, and skills you need to take your fast-growing contracting business to the next level.
You're here to learn what it takes to scale up, work less, and increase profitability. You've come to the right place.
Stay tuned to learn what separates the new breed of contractor from the old school, and welcome to your ultimate guide on the business of contracting.
Okay, a few cautionary words. None of these on their own are grounds for not moving forward with a project. These should give you pause, cause you to slow down, ask some more questions, but not necessarily force you to fire the client on the spot. You need to find your own balance between trusting your gut and not judging a book by its cover. And these 19 things are meant to help you do that. If you've been at this for a while, like I said, listen to this for a laugh. If you're new though, you might want to take some notes, as there could be something in here that saves you tens of thousands of dollars and countless sleepless nights. So let's get into the 19 red flags. Okay, the first one is the "can I help out and what kind of discount will I get if I do" client. These people are more naive than they are malicious. They think that because they built a dock with their dad in high school and they put together an IKEA bed set last summer, that they are going to be a real value add to you and your crew on site, and that their hands-on help should equal them paying less. It's best to be appreciative of the offer, right? You want to be polite, but then follow that up with a firm no. You might even want to consider charging them more for the extra help. Red flag number 2, we bought the materials already, just charge us for labor, client. This is a problem for 2 reasons, right? The first is that 9 times out of 10, what they bought is complete and total crap. It's not professional grade, or it's just not something that you and your crew are set up to use efficiently. So that's an issue. The second is that this is eating away at a profit center. If you like making money, you no doubt are marking up your materials, as you should, because you have commercial accounts and the contractor pricing with your suppliers. Even with the markup, this is still a better deal for the client who is paying full pop for an interior product at Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere else. Clients who make this request are innocent enough. Obviously, this isn't a knock at their character. It's just jobs like this often end up with a lower gross profit than what you want, and that might make your crew kind of grumble because they're using something that they're not totally used to. Okay, red flag number 3. This is a good one. This is the, I could do this myself, but I'm just so busy client. Okay, this argument doesn't hold water on any level. In fact, it runs against the fundamental principles of a capitalist society. Theoretically speaking, okay, anyone could do anything were they not so busy with other things. That's why commerce and currency exist. Look, like I could be a baker if I wasn't so busy, but I am so busy. So I buy my fancy artisanal sourdough from a baker for $8 a loaf, I might add. But here's the thing. When I stop by the bakery, I don't lean over the counter and whisper, hey, just so you know, I could make bread this good at home myself. I'm just so busy. Are you insane? You'd get laughed out of the joint and asked not to come back. Why this is okay to do to contractors is totally beyond me. It's a respect thing. And I think if I'm giving these people the benefit of the doubt, what they're trying to say is, hey, look, I'm handy, I'm good with tools, but all we hear is what you do isn't that hard. Rude. Okay, red flag number 4, engineers, lawyers, designers, and surgeons. Listen, if you like that clip, you can watch the full episode by clicking here. If you're not yet subscribed, you probably should be, and you can do that by clicking right here.